Hello and welcome to QuickBooks Bytes, a series of videos about QuickBooks Online. My name is Tony Armstrong and I'm a Chartered Accountant and QuickBooks Pro Advisor specialising in QuickBooks Online. These videos are designed to explain by showing, each one offering a small bite of a key part of the QuickBooks Online process. If you have any suggestions about video topics or content, I'd love to hear from you. My contact details are on screen now. I hope this video helps you, and if it does, please like and subscribe. And good luck with your QuickBooks journey. This video is about setting up bank feeds, one of the most useful functions of QuickBooks Online. Once set up, your bank and credit card transactions will be automatically downloaded directly into the accounting system. In most cases, you will no longer have to enter the bank transactions manually. The time saved by this function alone will pay for the software many times over, and the accuracy of bank data recorded should be almost 100%. In order to begin, you must have subscribed to QuickBooks Online, either directly or through your accountant. You must be using online banking in your business. If not, you'll need to set it up before continuing. You will need all your bank online security information to hand, as you'll need to enter these during the setup process. And you need at least one bank account set up in QuickBooks Chart of Accounts to connect to during the setup process. Ultimately, each physical bank account you intend to link to will need to be set up in the Chart of Accounts. I suggest you watch this video first, then open your QuickBooks Online accounting package and follow the steps shown in the video. Refer back to the video if you need to. QuickBooks opens on the dashboard screen. The first time you enter QuickBooks, you have two ways to set up bank feeds: the Connect Your Bank link or the Banking tab on the left-hand menu. The main screen display can vary and so may not look exactly like this. However, the left-hand menu will be here and you should choose Banking from this selection. Once selected, you will open a screen where you should click on the Connect Account button. This will open a further screen showing a search box and the icons of 8 major banks. If your bank is one of these, click on the icon. If it isn't here, select the search box and enter the first few letters of your bank's name. After 3 or 4 letters, a drop-down menu will appear, hopefully showing your bank in the list. If it's here, select it. However, I want to choose HSBC, so I'll cancel this screen by clicking the cross in the search box, which takes me back to the main bank choice screen. Once here, I'll select the HSBC icon. This takes you to the Bank Online Security screen. Enter your usual online banking security username and password. Don't select the Get Direct Feeds link at this stage. You'll do that another time. Then select Continue. You'll then be asked to confirm your account connection. This is consent for QuickBooks to connect to your bank accounts. Select Agree. You'll then be asked to confirm that you're not a robot by ticking a box and selecting Continue. QuickBooks will then attempt to connect to your bank. Next, you are likely to be asked for further security information. What you're asked for will depend on your bank. In this case, HSBC is asking for a security code, which is randomly generated by a security device. Once I've generated this code, I enter it in the security code box. Remember, this step is likely to be slightly different if you bank with another bank. Select Continue and QuickBooks will again attempt to connect to your bank. Once connected, you'll be presented with any bank accounts that are available for linking to. In this case, there are 2 banks, which happen to be a current account and a deposit account. You have to connect to each one separately. First, I'm going to connect to the current account. I click on the account box and a drop-down box appears. Selecting the down arrowhead presents me with a choice of bank types. The available types are listed and I want to choose Current Account. When I select this, the window extends down and suggests a start date from which transactions can be downloaded. In this case, it is suggesting 1st of May 2018. You can change this date, and what date you choose is an important decision. Depending on when you are setting QuickBooks up, it may be the first day of your accounting year, or perhaps the first day of your current VAT or management accounts period. If you're not sure what to choose, you should talk to your accountant. How far back you can go depends on your bank. Often it's only the last 90 days, and then you have to use QuickBooks importing facility to bring in the earlier transactions. I have another video that covers this process. For the moment, we'll continue. If you select the down arrowhead in the drop-down box, you get 4 choices: today, this month, this year, and custom. If any of the first 3 are applicable, you can select them. However, it's likely that custom will be the most appropriate. Selecting this presents you with a date box. In this case, I'm changing the date to 1st of May 2019, as this is the start of this company's accounting year. Once entered, I click Connect, and QuickBooks will attempt to connect to the bank. Once again, your bank requires that you enter some extra security. I am asked for my security code. Once entered, QuickBooks connects with your bank. Please note that QuickBooks cannot instigate online payments. You have to go into your bank in the usual way to do this. Once completed, you will be taken to the banking screen, where your bank transactions should be displayed. If I sort on the date field, you can see that they begin on the 1st of May 2019. At the moment, the screen is minimized. If I click on the small down arrowhead on the right, a blue bank account header will appear. This is the current account I've just connected with. I now need to connect with my second bank account, my savings account. Once one bank account is set up, I can add additional accounts by selecting the Add Account button on the right of the screen. This takes me to the familiar bank choice screen that we saw earlier. Follow the same process to connect with the second account. Select the bank icon, enter username and password, give consent to QuickBooks to connect with your bank, confirm you're not a robot, select Continue. After connecting, enter your further security. Choose the bank account you want to connect with. From the drop-down list, select the appropriate bank account. I will choose Business Savings. Select the start date for the download. I'm choosing Custom, and again 1st of May 2019. QuickBooks will connect with your bank. You'll have to enter some additional security. Once connected, you'll be taken to the banking screen, and your second bank will have appeared. If there are any transactions, they will appear in the list below. If the balance is not what you expected, in this case it's 0, which is not correct, you can select Update on the right hand side, and QuickBooks will attempt to update the bank feed. If this doesn't work, allow 24 hours and it is likely that the balance will be corrected the next time your bank sends data to QuickBooks, which is usually overnight. Congratulations, you have now set up your bank feeds. Please watch my other videos on how to use the banking screen. If you can't find the one you want, let me know. I am adding new ones whenever I can. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if it was useful, please like it by selecting the thumbs up icon below. If you'd like to see more videos about QuickBooks Online, please subscribe to my channel by selecting the big red subscribe button below. If you want to be notified when new videos are released, select the bell icon. Email me if you have any suggestions for future videos. I hope to see you again soon. Until then, goodbye from me, Tony Armstrong, and thanks for watching.